here the Lumary Smart Water Timer. It includes the washer, some seal tape, an adapter, the device that allows you to control your hose or watering. It does require 2 AA batteries. If you want to use a splitter through your faucet, you can connect this side to be automated and the other side to be manual. It comes with a cover. This gateway device needs to be within about 50 feet. It can only be plugged in inside. It's not for outdoor use, and they don't recommend during winter weather. The manual, if it's raining, you can have this turn off, or you can have it run on your regular schedule. If you want to control it through the app, you can do that too. So we're going to set it up here shortly. Okay, I have an outdoor electrical cover. I plugged in the gateway device. Right next to it, I do have the timer, but I tried it on another faucet about 30 feet away and I had no issues and it worked good. You can control it manually